So we now come to the concept of electrostatics and electric potential. Well, you see, whenever I introduce a charge in a field, I have to bring it all the way from infinity. So this is my boundary, which is infinity. And whenever I bring a charge to a field, I just cannot bring it out of my pocket and place it here. I have to bring it all the way from infinity. Now, in order to bring the charge from infinity to this particular point, I perform a work. And as all other cases we have dealt with, this work is stored in the body as its potential energy. But here, why we call it a potential? Because the potential, by definition, is given by V and is the electrostatic potential energy by charge. So what happens eventually is the work is stored here as potential energy. This potential energy is now not just ordinary potential energy, but electric potential energy. So the definition of potential goes by the division of electrical potential energy by charge. Obviously, the charge which you have got introduced into the field. Now, you see, whenever you have got a charge and you have taken it all the way from infinity, we perform a work. This work have got converted to electric potential energy. Now, if you shift it somewhere else, then again this electrical potential energy gets converted to work. So you see, after shifting a body from here to there, you have nothing remaining of it actually. And the potential of these 2 points, say A and B, lead to the obvious concept of what we call potential difference. So potential difference and potential actually are 2 concepts which are very closely knit. But still, there is a difference. I will try to tell you the difference in a nutshell, because in books there are many words written about this thing. You see, in a nutshell, the idea is that whenever you have the potential difference between infinity and a particular point, you call it potential. And when you have the potential between these 2 points, A and B, you call it potential difference. So that is the basic idea, to learn that potential is also a potential difference, but it is between infinity and a particular point. And when I talk about 2 points close to each other, at close proximity, close as compared to infinity, close as compared to infinity, and that is what we call the potential difference. But mind you, the calculation of potential is also nothing but a potential difference. So that is what you have to understand very clearly before going on to doing anything about potential. Now it is all about charges and their values, which depend on the thing. So I have a charge here, I will go there, I will go there, I have 2 points A and B. Obviously, being nearer, the potential is greater here. So if I ask you, if I have 2 potentials VA and VB, you say that VA is greater than VB simply because of the proximity of the charge. So this is again an intuition that you have to understand, that the points which is close to a particular charge will have a greater potential, and another point which is away from a particular charge will have a potential less than that of the other which is close. So you see, this is fundamentally the idea of potential which you have to solve mathematically now. Potential, as you all know, is given by a particular value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Now this is, mind you, a scalar quantity. So as it is a scalar quantity, for positive charge, the potential will be positive, and for negative charge, it will be negative. So this is again a very important concept, dear students, that whenever you have a positive potential, we take it as positive, and for a negative potential, we take it as negative. Well, this is all you have for the theory. Hope you have got the bottom of it, that how actually the potential works. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.